So I'm here with Steve Brown and Andy Yoemans from ETG. Steve, new recruit to the business. Tell us about Andy joining the Engineering Technology Group.
So we had availability down in the southeast for a regional sales manager. We posted out the details. We had a number of people approach us for the position, including previous employers, believe it or not. So it proves that ETG is the place to be. So after a process of elimination, we went with a person with the most experience, dedicated and sincere gent.
Good stuff. What area are you covering, Andy?
I'll be covering the southeast, which will include right round to the Chelmsford areas and Essex areas around the Kent, back into home county, Surrey, Guildford.
And I'm sure a lot of people know you already in those areas, but what excites you most about coming to the engineering technology? I mean, a lot of brands.
Absolutely, yeah, all of them really. The Chiron, Nakamura, Quasar, able to offer a total solution to existing customers and potentially new customers as well.
Great stuff. And what we'll do is we'll put Andy's contact details at the bottom of the screen. So if you are in that sort of geographic area, you'll be able to contact Andy about some of your products. Steve, good times at the moment. Engineering Technology Group is going to be more of this to come, maybe in all departments.
Yeah. So again, we're building on service. So we've been inundated with machine tool engineers, experienced guys wanting to come and work with the rest of the team. Our servicing backup, technical service, we've implemented 4 new people, and there's big expansions for ETG at the minute.
Good stuff, and good luck, Andy. And so there we have it. Andy Yoemans joins ETG.